If your Whirlpool electric range has an oven door that's hard to see through or has some residue on it, the oven door could probably use some TLC. I'm William of AppliancePartsPros.com, and in today's video, I'll guide you through disassembling and cleaning the oven door. Don't worry if this is your first time working on an appliance, it's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering the tools we'll need to get your Whirlpool electric range oven door looking like new. For today's work, we'll need vinegar, baking soda, a cloth and scraper, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Make sure to unplug your electric range or switch the breaker off. With the power disconnected and the tools in hand, we're ready to tackle the first area, the oven door. Grab a flathead screwdriver and open the oven door. Use the screwdriver to move the hinge locks into the locked position. Then lift the door to about a 45-degree angle. It will lift up slightly and then pull out. Set the door on a flat, padded surface to prevent scratches. Next, take a Phillips screwdriver and remove the screw securing the inner panel to the outer panel. Carefully separate the two panels. Remove the hinges and brackets. Then take out the insulation and middle panel, the middle glass, the window frame, and finally the inner glass. Clean each part using vinegar with a cloth or paper towel. For heavier residue, make a paste of baking soda and vinegar. Apply it to the spot and let it sit for about 15 minutes to loosen the buildup. A scraper can be used carefully on the glass panels to remove stubborn deposits. If you use an abrasive cleaner such as Magic Eraser, be sure to rinse thoroughly with a damp cloth afterward to remove any potentially hazardous residue. To put the door back together, lay the inner panel flat on a padded surface. Set the inner glass into place, followed by the window frame, the middle glass, insulation, and the middle panel. Reattach the hinges and brackets to the assembly. Position the outer panel over the stack and align it carefully. Secure the outer panel to the inner panel with the Phillips screws. Do the same with the handle and top trim. To reinstall the door, hold it at about 45-degree angle and align the hinges with the slots on the range. Lower the door until it seats fully, then rotate the hinge locks towards the oven cavity. Plug the power cord in, and with that, we're done. Here's the before and here's the after. Great job getting your Whirlpool electric range back in shape. We'd love to hear how your repair journey went, so feel free to drop a comment below and share your experience. If you found that you need any parts, just grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. We pride ourselves on fast delivery, with most orders arriving within just a couple of days. Thanks for trusting us to guide you through your repair, and we look forward to seeing you tackle your next project.